Here's how to do the ulzzang eye makeup look based on your eye shape and facial features. First, apply a nude base shade like so all over on the top and bottom. And then follow up with a light pink shade on the top and bottom. Now, if the distance between your eyes is not equal to one eye in between, that means your eyes are slightly further apart. And my eyes are slightly further apart, so we're gonna bring this together. So we're gonna use a darker pink eyeshadow like this. And we're gonna create depth in the corner of our eyes. Now, this is trying to give the illusion that it's coming closer together, balancing its proportions. And if your eyes are too close to each other and you wanna bring it further apart, you wanna shadow the ends of your eyes instead. Now, this time use this darker brown shade, and again, depending on your eye shape, apply it on the inner or outer corners. And now, regardless of your eye shape, we're going to use this darker pink eyeshadow again, and we're going to shade the outer corners on the bottom. Now, measure the ratio of your face from your forehead up, your forehead to the end of your nose, and the end of your nose to your chin. Now, after you measure that, if the middle part of your face is the shortest, then you don't want to draw an aegyo-sal or you're going to look like splish. It's probably also why you never felt like you looked good in aegyo-sal. But for me, I have a slightly longer middle part, so we're going to draw an aegyo-sal to make the middle part more proportioned. Now, if your eyes are like mine where it's further apart, we're gonna focus on the first half of our aegyo-sal, not passing the middle of our eye. Now, if your eyes are closer together, you want to focus on the middle part to the outer of your aegyo-sal and not much on the front. Now, wing your eyeliner into a cat style eyeliner or dog style eyeliner, whichever you prefer, and apply your false lashes. I use the compact lashes, and ulzzang eye makeups rarely emphasize the bottom lashes, so just very lightly go over your bottom lashes, but make sure it's not emphasized. And finish it off by going over your aegyo-sal with this peach eyeshadow. And that's how you do the ulzzang eye makeup look. Follow for my beauty tips. Bye!